welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Nony. If you're new here, welcome guys. I need you to please click on the subscribe button. When you see the button, after clicking on it, there's this bell around it. Please click on that one. That one is the notification button, and it's also very important. If you're old here and you've already subscribed, thank you. You know I already love you guys, right? So and yes, we have another category of people that have been watching my videos and are yet to subscribe. Why now? Auntie, why? Please now. Or you go and subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Please don't mind me. So today's video is about how to have a beautiful skin, how to improve the appearance of your skin in 4 weeks. And I know everybody wants to have a beautiful skin. Everybody wants to improve the appearance of their skin. So if you're interested in improving your skin in 4 weeks time, stay tuned. So like I promised, today's video is about how to improve your skin within 4 weeks. I chose 4 weeks. I didn't say 3 days or 2 days because I like being realistic. You see all these things we see online everywhere, how to improve your skin in 2 weeks, 2 days, 3 days. Honestly, it is not really easy. It's not possible. It's not even possible, except you're telling me that it's just facial treatment that the person went for and they just did extraction and you're calling that one improvement. Yeah, then that's fine. But if it's about what we are going to do, guys, you won't see your result within 2 days. Let's be realistic. You won't see a good visible result within 2 days. That's why we are choosing 1 month. 1 month is definitely between 28 days to 31 days, isn't it? And that's about the same time that our skin requires for 1 full cycle. Do you get? So I just feel like it's more realistic and it's actually better off if we do this during this process. While we are trying to do this, I also will be doing this. I already do all of this anyway, but I'll still do it. So during this time, if you have any question, if you're doing it and you have any in fact, if there's anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to help you put you through, please feel free to send me a mail or you drop it in the comment section. I will respond to it. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So I have some steps I've already written down. Number 1 is exfoliate your skin. Guys, we need to exfoliate our skin. Exfoliate your dead skin cells. The skin has 3 layers, right? The outermost layer, which is the epidermis, has another 6 layers again. Do you get? And the stratum digiuntivum, which is the outermost layer of the skin, is basically dead. Guys, we need to exfoliate our skin. When you see your skin looking dull, you feel like your skin is not looking as bright as it should be. Mind you, when I say bright, now I'm not talking about being light skinned. Okay, everybody can have a dull skin. Both a light skinned person or a dark skinned person can have a dull skin. So when you feel like your skin is looking too dull, guys, exfoliate your skin. You don't even need to wait for it to look dull. You get? You need to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times every week. So let's try to exfoliate our skin. Use an exfoliating method that is suitable for you. If you're prone to acne, please, our advice, run away from all those sugar scrubs you see online. Please, if you have acne, do not use any product or anything that is going to cause extra trauma on your skin already. Please do not use all of those things. You could do chemical exfoliant. Get products that can help you exfoliate your skin. In this video, I'm not going to be talking about products, so this is strictly about how to make our skin fine and better. So I'm not really going to be talking about products specifically. If you want me to talk about products another time, please put it in the comment section. Now, the next thing is, after exfoliating these your dead skin cells, do you moisturize your skin, auntie? Do you moisturize it? It's not to just go and carry coconut oil or olive oil or vegetable oil and rub on your skin and you say, yeah, I used to moisturize my skin. Moisturize contains the word moisture, isn't it? What is moisture? Water, right? Please, your skin needs moisture. Even an oily skin needs moisture. Don't say, because I have oily skin, there's no need of me rubbing anything on my face. My face needs to be like that. If I rub something, I will break out. If I rub something, the acne will come out to me and all that. That is wrong. Your skin needs moisture. Every skin needs moisture. So you need to apply moisturizer on your skin. Now, the thing is, you have to use a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type and your skin condition. Do you understand? Next is improve your personal hygiene. A lot of us will carry phone. When we have a call, we'll carry the phone and put on our face like this. After the phone call, you drop it on your table. Don't mind me now speaking like this. You drop it on your table. Before you know, dust will touch it. Your baby or your friend or something will come and touch it after using the toilet. This one will come and touch it. Your phone will fall. You will just clean it on your clothes like this and you put it on your face again. You don't know that you're carrying microorganisms from the whole of Nigeria to put on your face. You don't know that. Please improve on your personal hygiene. Your phone is a culprit. Your dirty hands, every time you're picking your face, every time your hand is on your face, what last did you touch? Did you wash your hands before touching your face? Please, personal hygiene is very important. You use the same towel that you use to clean your butt after pooing to clean your face. What are you doing to yourself? What? in this same personal hygiene thing, if you're left alone, you will carry your sponge to scrub and scrub and scrub your face as if you're washing off the sins on your face. You cannot wash out your sins. You cannot wash it out like that. Go and learn how to improve on your personal hygiene. So be clean. Personally, I've not used a face towel on my face for like 4 years or thereabouts. At first, when I stopped using towels, I started using paper towels, like, you know, paper towels that you just dispose, right? But at some point, I just stopped it. After bathing, after washing my face, I allow my face to air dry. See, the skin, your facial skin is very sensitive. Your facial skin is very sensitive. So guys, please, work on your hygiene. Work on your hygiene. Wash your hands. Stop touching your face. Clean your environment. Change your pillows. Change your pillowcase. Change your bed sheets, for crying out loud. Don't use dirty clothes as towels. You will travel because you did not go with towel. You will now use the top that you removed to clean your body. We know you do these things. So please improve it. Improve. Okay, lastly, on this personal hygiene thing, wigs. Somebody say wigs. Guys, have you washed your wigs? When was the last time you washed your wigs? You see that black one, that one that you like wearing very well, that one that you wear frequently, when was the last time you washed it? I'm not talking about that washing that you will carry like 7 weeks or 5 weeks and put together. You carry black soap or shampoo and put inside. You do it like this. You bring it out and hang. And in your mind, you have washed your wigs. And see, that's not the type of washing I'm talking about. I'm talking about proper washing. Have you revamped your hair? Like, you know, when you give it to a professional to wash, they'll wash severally and do certain treatments. Have you done that? Guys, your dirty wigs might be the cause of the whole issue your skin is having. So please, your personal hygiene is very, very important. If you want to wash your hair, I use Nella Bella Studio to wash all of my hair. If you want to wash, maybe I'll just drop a link or something on the comments, on the link below or something. Guys, if you want to have a clear skin, you have to work specifically on your personal hygiene. This thing might be the major reason your skin is looking dull. You have rashes, you have acne, you have skin problem every now and then. Watch your hygiene, wash your wigs. Your hair products can even be falling down your face. Guys, please take care of your skin. Okay, take care of your skin. Now the next thing I'm going to be talking about is cleansing. Before you even exfoliate and all of this, you're supposed to cleanse. Some of us do not even cleanse our skin very well. We don't even have that time. You will just carry soap, you do it like this, you put on your hand, your face, you just do it like this, you wash it out. Guys, you're supposed to take your time to wash your face in particular. When you're cleansing your face, when you're washing your face, please take your cleanser, put it on your palm, massage into your skin for at least 60 seconds, and then you rinse out. Don't just allow your skin to get the benefits of your cleanser. Don't just put it on your sponge and you do like this and you feel like you've washed it out. Some of you too will now use anger to scrub your skin and scrub it as if you're quarreling with you. It's not like that. You will not get results like that. You're only causing trauma to your skin. More trauma, that's what you're causing. So be gentle with your skin, be patient with your skin, cleanse very well, exfoliate, moisturize. Your hygiene should be top notch. Now the next point. Okay? So the next thing is treating. Now there are some people that will say, oh, I have an esthetician that I meet, I have a dermatologist that does this, that does that for me. When I met them, they told me to use this product. Until you were told to use that product to treat, not to use the product all over your face forever. So these are the things that spoils our skin. If you work on your treatment, this treatment is divided into two. I have the A and the B. Let me talk about the A. This one I've already started. The people that already have product to treat their personal skin condition. When you are treating, please do not use this product all over. If you were told to spot treat, what we mean by spot treating is to, let's say you have hyperpigmentation here, 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 and you went to meet a medical esthetician or an esthetician or wherever it is, and you were recommended to use a particular product to treat the acne or the hyperpigmentation. They will tell you to use that product on that specific area, which is to spot treat, like to apply it only on that area, right? Now, some of you will say, I like as the thing used to smell, or I like as the thing used to feel. You will now rub it everywhere so that you will prevent other ones from coming. Meanwhile, you were not told to do that. Before you know, you will damage your skin. These are the things that damages our skin. Do you get? So please, if you are told to use a particular product a particular way, use it that way. They have a reason for telling you that. Don't go and use it all over. And don't go and use it continuously, even after the condition has been treated. Because it lightens your dark spots, you'll be like, this one can lighten my skin. You will not start using it all over your skin because you want to be fair. You want to be yellow. Before you know, you will spoil your skin. Please, watch what you're using to treat your skin. Secondly, this is the B part now. For people that do not know about spot treating, they don't know about treating their skin. If you have a particular skin condition, let's say you have Keratosis Pilaris, which is like a condition that, people call it chicken skin basically. That's, let me try to explain with a layman word. You know, it makes your skin look rough. If you have hair, around your hair follicles, it will look like you have, see my skin, I have hairs. Yeah, can you see? I'm hairy naturally. So if I had keratosis pilaris, it will look like I have bumps, something like bumps all over my skin, and just around the hair follicles. Most of the times it look dark and it makes your skin look rough. People call it chicken skin. Please just go online and look for the picture. Or I might just try to put a picture of keratosis pilaris around here. I will just try to put it around here or here. I don't know yet. So if you have such condition, for example, and you know you want to treat it, most of the times glycolic acid is like your best result. I'm not going to recommend products in this video, like I said earlier. Now, let's say you have this kind of condition and you want to treat it. Please, guys, moisturizing your skin alone is not the solution. You have to exfoliate, you have to moisturize, and you have to, when you're exfoliating, you have to use products that are meant for this specific skin condition. If you're prone to acne or you already have acne, you are supposed to use certain ingredients in your products to be able to treat. So don't just go and start using any random product you see over the counter because you feel like, oh, you like the scent or you like the price tag or you like the packaging. You have to use products that are specifically formulated to treat that particular skin condition of yours. I've talked too much about treating. Let me talk about the next one. The next one is protect. Guys, we do not do this enough. We do not do it enough in this part of the world. Honestly, most women will tell you that they don't need sunscreen. After all, they don't go out. They're always inside the house. I don't go out, so why should I need sunscreen? Why should I apply sunscreen? Sunscreen is nothing. I don't need it. There's nothing to protect you. I'm always indoors. Guys, you are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. If you don't go out and you feel like you're inside the house, that UVB, which is the rays, the sun rays that will burn your skin, will not reach you. What about UVA? It will still meet you. It will cause early wrinkling, early aging. So please, we all need sun protection. We all need to protect our skin from the harmful rays of the sun. You need sunscreen. You need sunscreen like never before. If you're in Nigeria, our weather is hot, everything. In fact, you need sunscreen. Even if you're not in Nigeria, you basically need sunscreen. And when you're using sunscreen, please use the one that contains SPF 30 and above. Don't go and use SPF 15. Don't say, oh, my makeup has SPF 15, so there's no need of using sunscreen. Or, hey, that cream that I bought, they wrote on the body that has SPF 10. No need to use sunscreen. Now, SPF is not SPF. Aqua oil SPF. Aqua SPF not there. My dear, you are deceiving yourself. It is not enough. Okay? And don't go and use your sunscreen. When you apply your sunscreen, you now put another cream on top and expect the sunscreen to work. It's not going to work. Your sunscreen is your last product. It acts as a protector, isn't it? For you to protect, it's supposed to be in front. So please, it is the last product you apply on your skin. When you're using it, please use enough amount. Don't go and use small. Use enough amount, okay? Next thing is to watch your diet and your triggering factors. See, guys, there are so many things that trigger certain skin conditions that we experience. Okay, let me use acne as a typical example. If you're prone to acne, you have acne, you will know that there are some things you'll be experiencing in your body or some things you will ingest that will make the acne worse, isn't it? Now, let's say, for example, during your period, when is the time for the month, during your period or your ovulation, some people usually break out more because that's the period that your skin produces more androgen hormone. I'm not going to be talking about plenty science here, but that is the period your skin produces a lot of androgen hormones and all of that. So what am I saying? During that time of the month, when you know that you're getting close to your period time or your ovulation time, and you know you break out during that time, what are you expected to do? You're expected to watch what you eat, because sometimes what you eat will also make it skyrocket. Do you understand? When you eat a lot of oily things, you eat a lot of sugary things, you take lactose, milk in particular, you break out more. So what will you do? You cut down on these things. You cut down on these things because you want good results on your skin. You cut down on these, your triggering factors. So you have to cool down. This is an assignment for everyone. Watch your body, watch your skin, understand your triggers. We all have our triggers. I personally know my triggers. Do you get? So we'll watch these things. I have an oily skin, like a very oily skin. So I'm very careful about things I do. I suffered hormonal acne some time ago, and man, it wasn't easy. So guys, be particular about your skin. Let's make conscious effort to look beautiful. It's not every time that you're wearing makeup to conceal your whole skin insecurities. Do you get? Sometimes it's just small things that we'll do and we'll improve our skin. So what we are going to be doing in these 4 weeks, these are the points that we are going to be working on. So in these 4 weeks, watch and identify your triggers. Try to cut down on your triggers. You're going to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. exfoliate from your head to your toe. I did not say you should only exfoliate your underarm or exfoliate your hands or your legs. Exfoliate from your head to your toe 2 times or 3 times a week. If you're prone to acne, please do not exfoliate like that. Try to see an esthetician, so you'll be recommended, products will be recommended for you. If you're prone to acne as well, and you know you have blackheads, guys, go for facials. Go and allow them extract the blackheads on your face. Don't go and do it by yourself and give yourself PIH. Please go for facials. Let them extract it for you. Okay, so we are going to be exfoliating our skin. We'll moisturize our skin within these 4 weeks. We'll try to improve our personal hygiene, identify our triggers. We are going to treat whatever skin condition that we have, and we are going to protect our skin. Guys, I promise you that in 4 weeks you must see results. So what we are going to do is take a picture of your skin. After this video, take a picture of your skin. That's if you know you will bear all these things. So if you know you will do half and you will not do half, please don't bother. But if you know you will do all of these things, like you know you will do it, then yes, I can answer you. I will be able to, I will see you through. I'm not saying I will see you through and buy you the product, so please, I can, at least I can guide you. So what I'm saying is, within these 4 weeks, guys, we are going to be doing this. So take a picture of your skin and watch your skin glow 4 weeks later. So this is what this video is about. If you know you really loved what I said, you know you want to work on your skin, guys, I hope you've subscribed, because you cannot take all this information and don't subscribe. If you do not subscribe, you will have acne on your forehead. Don't mind me. Okay guys, so if you know you love this content and you want me to be dropping more content like this, do let me know in the comment section. If you have ideas for content you want me to be dropping, please drop it in the comment section. Please, I hope you've subscribed, I hope you've liked, I hope you've watched the previous video, I hope you've turned on the post notification. Guys, please support your girl, support me. This YouTube thing is not easy at all. It's not for the faint-hearted. See, please support your girl. Okay, so bye, have a nice and productive week ahead. Bye.